Motorola seems to be on a roll this year as they've launched one smartphone in every category in India. This week they launched the Moto E4 Plus and the Moto E4. The highlight of the Moto E4 Plus is that huge 5000 mAh battery that the company claims should last you for good 2 days. The Moto E4 Plus is priced at 9,999 rupees and the smartphone will be exclusively available on Flipkart. Moto E4 Plus sports a metal unibody design and antenna band that runs on top and bottom of the rear of the device. The home button on the Moto E4 Plus is your multi-purpose button that also acts as your back, multitask and also as your fingerprint scanner. Moto E4 Plus gets a 5.5-inch HD display with a resolution of 1080 by 720 pixels. The smartphone is powered by a quad-core MediaTek processor along with 3GB of RAM coupled with 32GB of internal storage that can be expanded to up to 128GB. The Moto E4 Plus also features a 13-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera with that LED flash. And like all the Moto phones, you get the latest version of Android 7.1.1 Nougat for that clutter-free experience. Moto E4 on the other hand is the mini version of Moto E4 Plus and it's priced at 8,999 rupees. The phone features a 5-inch HD screen, it runs on Android Nougat, there is 8-megapixel rear and 5-megapixel front camera and it packs a 2800 mAh battery.